Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and I'm really excited to show you my most recent haul from the Washi Tape Shop. Let's check it out. The Washi Tape Shop is a wonderful place to find beautiful washi tapes, PET tapes, stickers, stationery items. I love using them as a resource because their designs are beautiful and unique. I can't wait to share some of these gorgeous washi tapes that I have in front of me. So the first three that I have to share with you have kind of a beautiful travel inspired theme to them. First of all, we have London Fog, which I absolutely love. You're getting all of these beautiful icons of traveling to London, perfect for a travel journal, a travel bucket list. I think these are so gorgeous, and all of these are individually cut stickers, which makes them really easy to use. Then one that I know I'm going to get some use out of, the Big Apple. Again, some gorgeous icons of New York City, some great phrases. I love the taxi cab. I think it is adorable. This one's going to come in very handy very soon because it's Parisian charm. And with the Olympics coming up, I am very excited to get to document some of those fun events all happening in Paris. Beautiful scenes that are wonderful for including in cards. Look at this countryside Escapade. Look at this Dreamy Merlot. I love these florals for decorating the sides of my planner pages and my journaling pages. I think they are absolutely gorgeous, and this washi tape just feels so beautiful and melts into the page. Metro and Meadow. These are some beautiful scenes. First of all, you have this whole set of gorgeous churches, great for decorating different faith notes, creating cards of encouragement. I think those are beautiful, and they're all individually cut stickers. How fun to create scenes within your planning and journaling. I think those are gorgeous projects. And then we have a little bit more countryside here with a full set of gorgeous barns that are just, they're so fun. Lily of the Valley. If this is your favorite flower, then oh my goodness, this is a must-have. You get some beautiful quotes in here as well. I love adding the inspirational quotes just on the sides of like my daily planning pages. And Perfumed Reveries, again, some beautiful florals. These are all individually cut stickers. Absolutely gorgeous. So pretty for just adding, if you just want to add one or two to a journaling page. This is Baroque lace. You guys, it is beautiful lace washi. It is a PET tape sticker, but it looks just like lace. And when you get the full set, you get it in different colors. So if you haven't checked out the Washi Tape Shop, you definitely should head over there. There are always discount codes available. I will link them down in the description box below. Some great resources for, like I said, washi tape and PET tape, stickers, stationery items, just to add that special, unique touch to your journaling. You can find all of these beautiful washi tapes and a whole lot more over at thewashitapeshop.com. Happy shopping!